Kalong ke ba 4 juyok sngau bah ka jela Meghalaya makandon ke jingïakop ban ïalehkai games lang ba kikor kibor jong kani ke juk bamenta kata ka FIFA Arpulai end of an era tournament kani ke jingïakop kalas dang nin kesngi kalai puai terik unlailar arjar Arpulai mat kanne na ka benta lai sngi ya kani ke jingïakop la Pynlong ha DSJ Gaming Center halai mkra Shillong da ka wei ka kanhon ka balatip kumka consistent gaming ha ka jing trelang bat ka DSJ Gaming Center baru bat ka Media Plus Shillong habai kran beti nong banya jong kane jingïakop usamla jo saya lengdo baru samla damian pasa kila itu bakathong jong kane jingïakop kalong ban ai man sim ki samla bakin kiu ha ka jingïalehkai ha ka ba maki ki jus ngau tanan haba phai bat ki samla jungi ilap baki dei samla ki basngau tanat bat ki badon kasap bakin mi bane kon persha bat ki weipat ki badai na ki weipat ki jela langba ki ni ki games ki ba ki penon kam ya ki kor ki bor jong kane ka juk ka bamanda
We are from Consistent Gaming. It's a gaming community bagi lang like a few months ago. With the game bagi ko apa na ïaka dan gaming culture sini. Long FIFA and other sports, esports, FIFA, CS:GO and etc. And we want our community to organizing this FIFA tournament that's going on. And
the thing is that when you live in Pynlong, it's not just only about where, in the modern era right now, people are just like so into one thing. Like gaming has been, I feel like, a part of everyone's life, like not just like have it as a physical hobby. Gaming now, we term it as esports. It's no longer a gaming thing. It's basically a sport right now where people have competitions, tournaments and all which is going on, and which is also like it has been under the radar by the Indian government. The Indian government has also started a federation of esports in which many players have gone like from FIFA, Counter-Strike and all that. So our motives kung ngabig ba dimen binikwa along mostly like kung mahipet iki samla jungi sini like us being in the scene like ni snow tenan am bringing iba ukna jungi like he has that potential to go there and face people from mainland India also, not just that in the global level. So today we're going to start that, and it's a thing where we have been it's been in the works like for so long, and to make it happen today, starting today, it's a wonderful dream to come true.
Something that we start, it's a humble thing, small thing, and we were hoping when to generate some awareness, like something that there's a community of gamers, when you see that ïalehkai and everything, and we play with passion, Long we want to increase that skill level to a point like organize players in here and compete with these international level tournaments, and from that we can actually produce people from Shillong, Meghalaya, who present the state through esports, Shabar in Meghalaya, mainland India, and plus if the skill develop internationally, because it's much more accessible for us as gamers to represent the state itself and show on how much potential we have. Like we are growing agriculture, gaming cultures and everything, and it's becoming something not just a hobby, but some passion, no? Yeah, and we want that to long because other states are doing it. And we want so long we have so much infrastructure with that. DSJ Gaming Center, we are organizing this tournament. So it's one of the structure that is here, that's giving us the opportunity when you are as a community, and we can actually meet with each other, play with each other, and target. And with this tournament we are organizing, we want to collect show Pynlong, everyone who have that same passion, we can not bring in that kind of, and from that we base on that skill and most of them kita worship style ïalehkai, who loves the game, kita juga ïalehkai, who been playing,
wants to make it pro.
Kita who wants to make it pro, wants to become one of the best in India, because there's ISL, there's also EISL, where these league teams in the ISL, they employ gamers to represent their club in the FIFA game.
So normally for that, like now we have Northeast United over here, and how we do that is they have qualifiers, and it's called EISL, conducted by Northwind Gaming, where they conduct qualifiers for all the teams which are there in ISL. There we have 2 participants who make it to the finals of the qualifiers. They'll get employed under the contract, and it goes on for a period of 4 months, that season. So once they win from there, there's a tie-up with EA Sports, normally known as FIFA. So how FIFA does is, itu keep a job yang ketua, they get to qualify for other big tournaments. There's E-Club World Cup, E-Nations Cup. Recently, for the past 2 years, there's an Indian team who's representing FIFA at the highest level. And a huge congratulations to them also, for making the scene here in India grow bigger and bigger.
And because football is a culture, everybody plays football. So we see that also translates to FIFA. Everybody knows FIFA, and we want not only football like e-football, like FIFA, but you don't get to meet the talents. We have talent from football because it's our culture. Everybody needs to try like football. Everybody like every Sunday there's always football game. We want that also to translate to FIFA. There's talent that all around it.
Coming back to this tournament.
Since you don't proper work, so we can't do the league because time constraint and everything. We do knock out so many qualifiers. And in this format, it's like those qualifiers for the EISL and everything. So we are actually trying to prep the players who wants to compete in that level. Because as soon as you go about it's the same environment in your so we want to prep, we want to get that idea that belong to prep the for that tournament.
What are the kind of prizes the winners?
The prizes are because since we have started, we are planned for a while, but we have started and so the money we collected, all of that, apart from the running costs and everything, we would be have prices on your job. Very lightly. And then that's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The finals will be on Saturday.
So it will be on a knockout basis.
Like the format will be 2 legs. It will be a home and away. Since the game is built like that, like suppose you're choosing home, the home team plays at home. It has more advantage because of the crowd and it depicts real life, so giving a chance to both opponents, one will play home once and the other will play home once.
One of the things that's happening in that actually really hurt the youth. And with this, we can actually create something. We are creating something that is competitive and something a community where like-minded people, and we are welcoming everyone who comes. We are we're trying to teach them how to play the game. And with that, we are generating some popularity, friend. We want to be something like that. So obviously, divert their energy and everything to FIFA. Apart from doing other stuff, FIFA will be something like a passion, a hobby for them, and it will help them. And now there's competition. Don't talent if there's competition happening for FIFA, they can display their talent in this game. It's very helpful. It really occupies their time and effort, energy, where they can waste in other places. Can be used that energy and everything in the game.
The tournament you have a particular age group? It's
no, it's open men because usually like that in esports we don't have that much age group, age limits. Anyone can play because depending on the skill and mostly you cannot compete because they have bigger reflex, they are so much faster. Now if you can age in players but on international level they are 17, 16 years old. They are like they are making so much money and they are like top of the level, top level. So that's why the older you get actually had esports, the slower you get. It's different than long.